Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a chatbot with ManyChat, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a chatbot with ManyChat, first, visit the ManyChat website. Sign up using your Facebook account to access the platform. Once logged in, you will be directed to the ManyChat dashboard. Click on the Get Started button to begin setting up your chatbot. Select your Facebook page to which you want to connect the chatbot. After selecting the page, click Next to proceed with the configuration. You will now see the main ManyChat interface. To create your first bot, navigate to the Automation tab on the left sidebar. In the Automation section, select Default Reply to set up an automatic response. Click on Edit to customize your default reply message. Here, you can type a welcoming message for when users first interact with your bot. After customizing the message, click Save to apply your changes. Next, go back to the Automation tab and select Sequences to create a message sequence. Click on Create New Sequence and give it a name that describes its purpose. Within the sequence, click Add Message to start composing the first message. Customize the message with text, images, or buttons to make it interactive. You can set delays between messages to simulate a natural conversation. Save each message you create to ensure none of your work is lost. Once your sequence is ready, go to Growth Tools from the left sidebar. Select New Growth Tool and choose Messenger Ref URL to generate a link for users. Name your growth tool and paste the URL where users will access the bot. Adjust any additional settings as needed before clicking Save. To test your chatbot, go back to the dashboard and use the Preview feature. Interact with your bot to ensure it responds as expected. Make any adjustments in the Automation section based on your testing. Once satisfied with the functionality, start promoting your chatbot to your audience. Monitor user interactions through the Audience tab to see how users engage. Regularly update your chatbot with new messages and features to enhance user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.